Alright, I'm going to demonstrate how we're going to manage the API. Basically, this is our API portal. This allows you, by using the API management feature, this allows us to see how many, it's kind of like Google Analytics. We can see, for example, at this point we have two APIs. We have Echo API and we have Lightning Orders API. Echo API is basically my just a test API for demonstrating this, and then Lightning Orders, that's where we're going to I'm going to deploy all the methods for now, and then it tells you all the statistics on how many messages are going through, what is your error rate and bandwidth support, how long it takes for each method to execute, and so forth. In this case, you see there's no statistics because I haven't actually hit this one yet, but and then everything that we provide can be locked down and displayed here. So on the dashboard you can see a global overview of the process, and you can actually drill down to the actual API. Gives you the address. You can have your settings. Let's go back to Echo API. I set this one up where you can see what the operations are, and this will be provided in a developer portal. And we'll go to the developer portal. Developers will see how to use this and what code it generates. And then you can actually set up your products. In this case, we have two products. We have a starter one and unlimited. And what the idea of the product, it basically tells you, it allows you to prevent throttling of, you can limit how many messages a client can have, and so forth. For example, starter, you can have, I believe, like 5 subscribers are able to do 5 calls per minute, up to maximum 100 calls per week. That's controlling throttling. And we can, this is a rule-based driven, so we can set up as complicated or simple stuff as we want. That links with policies. We can create different, we can create all sorts of policies. Everything is built in. We want to rewrite URL. We want to limit cache and so forth. Control cores, cross-reference. Look for headers. I mean, this is extremely powerful workflow-based driven mechanism. And then you can have your analytics where you can see. You can see how many calls have been made, which dates, and you can see all your rates. You can export that. Then you can manage users. In this case, there are 2 users. You don't have one admin, and then as many users as you can want. You can manage groups, and so forth. But what I wanted to show you guys is that this also serves as a CMS. Once the client logs in, once the developer logs in, they actually will see this. And you can customize everything. Like I customize, Powered by Yuri, for example, and you can customize all this look and feel, and then you can actually see how to use. It actually gives you the example code, everything documented on. Let's say you want Python. Here's how to use this code in Python and so forth. So it's extremely powerful portal, and then. We can configure that look and feel with these idea of widgets, where you can have everything is configurable. Like header, footer. You can put advertisement, and it could be by client. So we need to get this design. And there's much more to it, but basically, when we launch, they will come to a developer portal. They will see something like that. GrubHub. This could be customized per GrubHub and so forth. And we need to discuss this further. But without ado, that's.